So today, you're going to see everything from a fire shooting drone to a drone that can fit right into your wallet. And believe me, these drones are so awesome that you won't be able to decide which one to buy. So without wasting even a single second, let's jump straight to drone number 1. Imagine having a drone that can pick things up and bring them to you like a little flying assistant. That's exactly what the Parrot Mambo does, and it's one of the coolest entry-level drones you can get your hands on. This little quadcopter doesn't just fly smoothly through the air, it comes with special accessories that let it grab small, lightweight objects and deliver them right to you. Think about the possibilities here. You drop your keys across the room? Send the Mambo to fetch them. Want to play a unique game with friends at a backyard party? Attach the cannon accessory and shoot small foam balls at targets or even at each other in a friendly drone battle. It's perfect for beginners who want more than just basic flying experiences. The Mambo turns drone flying into an interactive adventure, making it ideal for kids, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to experiment with robotics and automation without spending a fortune. It's fun, practical, and surprisingly versatile for such a compact device that fits easily in a backpack. Now let's talk about serious professional work. The FIXAR 007 is built for professionals who need reliable aerial mapping and inspection capabilities in demanding environments. This drone is designed specifically for commercial and industrial applications, whether you're surveying construction sites, inspecting infrastructure like bridges and cell towers, or mapping agricultural land for precision farming. What makes it special is its portability despite its professional-grade capabilities and advanced features. Unlike many industrial drones that require complex setup and transportation procedures, the FIXAR 007 can be easily moved from location to location without hassle or needing a large team. It's perfect for businesses that need accurate aerial data collection but don't want to deal with complicated equipment or extensive training. And here's the bonus. If you want to fly it recreationally during downtime, you absolutely can. It bridges the gap between professional tools and accessible flying, making high-quality aerial surveying available to more people and businesses than ever before. But what if your drone could think for itself and make creative decisions? Enter the Mystic, a drone powered by artificial intelligence that acts as your personal flying photographer and creative assistant. This isn't just a camera with propellers, it's an intelligent system that explores environments independently and captures photos with perfect timing and composition. The Mystic uses advanced AI to recognize people, animals, plants, and objects, adjusting its shooting style for each subject automatically based on what it sees. Imagine hiking through a forest and having the drone follow you, capturing stunning shots from angles you could never achieve manually or even imagine. Its 3D tracking feature keeps you perfectly in frame while you move, and you can even control it with simple voice commands. No more awkward selfie sticks or asking strangers to take your photo at tourist spots. The Mystic handles it all autonomously, delivering professional quality images without you having to pilot anything or worry about controls. It's like having a skilled photographer following you everywhere, except it flies and fits in your backpack. Sometimes drones serve purposes far more serious than photography or entertainment. The Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet 3 represents the absolute cutting edge of military drone technology, designed specifically for reconnaissance in combat situations. This nano UAV is absolutely tiny, looking like a miniature helicopter and weighing less than 33 grams, lighter than a golf ball. But don't let its incredibly small size fool you. This military-grade drone can detect and identify threats in both daylight and complete darkness, providing crucial intelligence to soldiers on the battlefield. It flies almost silently, making it virtually undetectable to enemies, and can stay airborne for 25 minutes with a range of 1 full kilometer. For military personnel operating in dangerous environments, this drone provides eyes in the sky without putting lives at risk. It scouts ahead, identifies threats, and sends real-time information back to troops, giving them a tactical advantage that can save lives. While civilians won't be buying this one, it showcases how drone technology is revolutionizing modern warfare and security operations.
The Mark drone makes an appearance here, though specific details about its features remain mysterious. What we do know is that it exists as part of this lineup of innovative flying machines, each pushing boundaries in different ways. Sometimes the most intriguing things are those shrouded in a bit of mystery, leaving us to imagine the possibilities. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Krossblade SkyProwler 2 VTOL Transformer UAV looks like a fixed-wing aircraft, but it hides a clever secret. 4 propellers deploy from underneath, allowing it to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then transition smoothly to plane mode for efficient forward flight. This transformer design gives it the best of both worlds, the hovering capability of a quadcopter and the speed and efficiency of a plane. Most drones max out at about 30 minutes of flight time, but the SkyProwler 2 doubles that with the full hour in the air. That extra flight time makes all the difference for professional videography, surveying large areas, or simply enjoying extended flying sessions without constant battery swaps. It's equipped with a 3D stabilized 4K camera, producing incredibly smooth cinema-quality footage even in challenging wind conditions. For serious aerial filmmakers and professionals who need both versatility and endurance, this transformer drone delivers performance that standard quadcopters simply can't match. If you thought drones were impressive already, wait until you see one that breathes fire. The Throwflame TF-19 is exactly what it sounds like, a flying flamethrower. This beast is one of the largest drones you'll encounter, built tough to handle the unique challenges of carrying and deploying fire while maintaining stable flight. It can throw flames up to 25 feet and sustain that higher stream for 90 seconds continuously. You might wonder who needs a flame-throwing drone, but the applications are surprisingly practical. Controlled agricultural burns, clearing ice from power lines, eliminating wasp nests in dangerous locations, or controlled demolition projects all become safer when you can deploy fire remotely from the air. Fill the fuel tank, launch it, and control the flames from a safe distance. It's robust, durable, and designed to operate reliably even in demanding situations. This is drone technology entering territory we never imagined just a few years ago. Finally, let's go from the largest to the smallest. The wallet drone lives up to its name by being compact enough to fit in your pocket or wallet, making it the smallest quadcopter in the world. Despite its tiny size, it flies perfectly and smoothly, taking off right from the palm of your hand. It comes with its own remote control, giving you full flying capabilities in an incredibly portable package. This is the drone you take everywhere, pulling it out at parties, parks, or anywhere you want a quick flying session. It's pure fun in the smallest possible package, proving that great things really do come in small packages. Whether you're introducing kids to flying or just want a conversation starter that actually works, the Wallet drone delivers entertainment and functionality in a form factor that seemed impossible just years ago. So which drone did you find the coolest? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, friends. So stay safe and enjoy yourselves. We'll meet again in a new video with some more exciting gadgets.